To solve Facebook opening problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open settings, and when you open settings you will go to apps, and on apps you will go directly now to Facebook, and on Facebook you will go directly to storage, and on storage guys now you will go to clear data, and then you will click OK. And that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.